It's Sunday and I'm gonna take a cold shower. So we are ready. Oh. Whew. So let me know what you think about the cold shower videos. And if you wonder about the water temperature, I don't know the temperature, but what I actually wanted to say is I'm gonna keep it on the coldest setting possible here on that shower, and yeah, not gonna use any warm water. So the cold shower has been done and I am ready. It's only a super small investment when it comes to the time you use. Actually, you could say if you anyways take a shower, it doesn't take you any more time when you do it with cold water, in my opinion. So it's really not about the time you use for it. And when you take a look at the time you use for the shower, those few minutes, they have such a huge impact on the following hour or the following hours, so just on the whole rest of the day, for me personally. So for me, I see a massive value with the cold water or with that cold exposure in the morning. Now it's actually, you probably could say it's not really morning. I'm still analyzing or checking out how I'm gonna do it with the sleep schedule, although I'm getting quite sure, my opinion is getting quite streamlined, and when it comes to the process or the sleep schedule that I plan to have in the future. So I plan to keep more or less the same time to get up and sleep, instead of just having the weekends in a different schedule, because that's just right now how it is. Yesterday, today, on this Sunday, so it's really late, and it seems to me that I feel more successful and overall just better when I get up relatively early. Or early, it always depends on how you judge and on your opinion. And with that cold water exposure, basically, if you ever feel down or sad, or if there's something in your mind that just keeps you going and you don't feel comfortable in some way, some cold exposure can just really be a massive support, because you are going to be in the moment, you're going to be focused, and you're not going to think about all that stuff you previously were thinking about. And yeah, you can check it out for yourself if you like. Of course, it has to be fine for you health-wise. Yeah, that's it for now, and let me know what you think about the video. I've done quite many shower videos so far, and I plan to keep doing them. Hopefully you like it. Let me know what you think, and see you in the next video. So, time for a meal. Gonna have something very simple. Some eggs. Now, this is gonna be the meal. Some nature time again. Sunny weather, blue sky, super relaxing. It's actually getting a little bit cool now in the shadow. And I think I'm gonna add a few more clips to the video a bit later. I planned to take a bath, but the spot, which you could probably see in the background, is, or I think it is, still occupied, so probably there will not be any bath on this video this time. We'll see. Let me know what you think, and I guess I'm gonna add a few more clips later at the evening. I mean evening now, it's soon gonna be 7 p.m.